Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the error which is critical underscore process died blue screen of death in Windows. So let's begin. This blue screen of death happens when a key Windows process unexpectedly terminates, often due to corruption. And what we can do is run SFC scan now. This can restore damaged files that caused the failure. So go over here, click on the Windows Start button, type CMD, command prompt, make sure to run as the admin, and then click yes. Then just type in SFC scan now, hit enter, and your computer will start scanning your computer for any damaged or missing files. Once this hits 100%, it will report to you that it has successfully found and repaired those corrupted files. You can click X, refresh, restart your computer, and you're done. You have successfully fixed this issue. I hope you found this video very helpful.